How to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Terra Station or any other wallet. First of all, open Coinbase on your device. Then you can see something like transfer. Go ahead and tap on transfer and then tap on send crypto. Once you do this, you can select any email address, invoice or phone number, or else you can just go ahead and screenshot your Terra wallet address and just go ahead and tap on this option. After you do this, the scanner will open up. So go ahead and tap on this option over here. The scanner will open up, or else you can enter any one of these. After you do this, you can easily transfer USDT from Coinbase to Terra Station or any other wallet available. So just go ahead and hit the transfer, tap on send crypto and tap on this scanner, or you can individually enter the email address, invoice or phone number related or trusted with the trust wallet of Terra Station. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.